welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to build a full PHP blog application from scratch. And where we're going to start from is in this step, we're going to start with the development setup. And in this place, let's begin by installing different softwares that we're going to use in this given application. So the first thing, since this is a PHP application, we are going to install XAMPP. By installing XAMPP, you need to go to this website, which is called XAMPP, and then download XAMPP. So click the first link. Now from the first link here, we have XAMPP for Windows, we have XAMPP for Linux, and then XAMPP for OS, that is the Mac OS, guys. So you want to download the XAMPP that is for you. So for example, I'm using Windows, so I've already installed XAMPP for my Windows operating system. So you can go ahead and download the latest PHP. So in this case, we have PHP 8.2, which is the latest. So what happens is that XAMPP comes with PHP as well as MySQL. So you can see when I run PHP myadmin, I already have my XAMPP installed here. Sorry, let me just start it. So this is the way you start your XAMPP. That is if you're new to XAMPP. But if you're using another means of running your PHP, then you can go with that. All right, so this is what we have. So I'm going to start the two, the Apache and MySQL. The Apache is for your server, and then the PHP is the MySQL is the one that you're going to use for your databases. So you need to have these two started once you install XAMPP. So let me just take out one. Let's remain with that one. Right, so that is what we have. So if I reload this again, then you can see my XAMPP will start. And XAMPP is just a simple software which comes with the databases I've talked about, SQL. Then on the user accounts here, you can come here and look at your user accounts for your XAMPP. So this means that your XAMPP is running on a local host, or the IP address, which you call it loopback IP address, is 127.0.0.1. And of course, the password has not been set, because here we can see that the password is no. So on this column here, the password is no. So it means there's no password. And then the username is root, and we are going to see this. So this information is the one that we're going to use when we are connecting this server with our PHP environment. All right, so once you get to install, this is what will come. That is, this is what we'll have. So it's a pretty straightforward software to install once you click, that is, download 64-bit. Now, once you are done with that one, the next software I would like you to install, and of course I'm using, is the Visual Studio Code, which is this one here. So I'm using this software for my text editor, and Visual Studio Code is a good text editor that you can use to write up your code. I like it because it comes with many extensions and different items, different tools that you may want to use. So let's go back again here. So for you to get this software is easy. You just need to type VS Code. Then once you write VS Code, you can just click on the so this is vscode.dev. Okay, so this is the one here. This one, this is the online one. Let's look at the one for installing. Okay, so this is the software, and you can just come to this website and then click on download. It also comes with different versions for the different Windows. When you click this drop down, you can see we have Mac OS, and then we have Windows, and then we have Linux. So you can go and choose the one that you want to use. That is the one that you want to install for your given operating system. So that is what is there. In case you are operating on a Windows that is below Windows 10, you can use this one here, vscode.dev, which of course is an online version of VS Code. which you can install. So in this case, you can just click on this first link here, and it will bring for you the online one. Okay, so this is what you have. So you can just click open the folder, and then you just begin creating your website. All right, so since I already have it installed, and you just need to come and install it from this website here. So these are the two softwares I would like you to have, and we are going to use to create our MVC PHP app.